Hey, greetings and welcome to my channel. This is HB. Hey man, if you've been tracking me, you know I've been dealing with my pumpkin. They've been growing. Look at them things sitting there. Yeah. So the mission today is to harvest. We gotta get these pumpkins off the ground. So I have my knife. I'm just gonna cut the stems. So I'm gonna cut it. Yep. 1. 2. 3. And we're gonna cut all of them. And we have a few more on this side that we'll also cut, including the big guy. Look at the big guy, yeah. All right, so let me do my harvesting and then we'll be back. Try to keep it short. So here's the first set of pumpkins. Now let's cut this side. All right. Trying to do this with one hand, it's very difficult. There we go. All right, now the big guy. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Whoa, that one just popped off. Wow, I'm glad I had the camera running. Okay, pumpkin season, man. Getting the pumpkin on. Here's another big one. Look at that, this will pop too. Whoa, there you go. Oh, they popping. I didn't need the knife. It will pop. Let's see if this one will pop. Ah, pop. Hey. I guess we call this pumpkin popping. All right, let's pop it. Pop. Hey. Yes, thank you for joining me. It's been crazy because we got so many pumpkins and it's just amazing. Check this out. Check this out. Pumpkin. This is crazy. Woo-wee. Got my pumpkin harvest. There's a dog. Charlie. Anyway, pumpkin harvest. Hey, this is HB having another great season. This is, I think, my 2nd or 3rd year of growing pumpkins. And thank you for joining me. It's been a wonderful, wonderful experience. Now it's time to eat some pumpkin. So we'll be doing a few videos on that, showing you different ways to eat pumpkin. Man, this is amazing. Look at the big papa. Yeah. Yeah. This is like, wow. 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 Again, thank you. This is HB doing some gardening. Hey, it's amazing. Be blessed and plant something and eat something. Eat healthy, exercise, do your thing. Peace. Live in love and peace.